Hey Student Success, welcome to week 7 of the semester, which means we're almost halfway through our course. So I wanted to just plug in again that your student workshop assignment is coming up probably sooner than we anticipate because, as I mentioned, we're almost halfway through. So you want to make sure that you take a look at our student workshop assignment video so you know exactly how to register. You really take a look at all those offerings because we are in beginning of October already, so we're going to be limited fairly soon with what offerings are going to be there. So I want to make sure that you take a look, sign up. I know you still have until week 16, but as I said, it's going very quickly. So this is your assignment video specifically for week 7. So if you have not already done so, you want to make sure that you will get into the week 7 video folder and spend some time in chapter 8 lecture. So chapter 8 is about writing for classes, and so if you are in an academic writing class or a college composition class, you're probably already familiar with some of the resources I talk about in my video, but I still like to point out, under info for current students that we do have a writing center. And so it's a really great resource, whether you just want to go and click around and get some general links and information, or if you want to make an actual appointment with an online or in-person writing assistant. So I really like to push that writing center because they are fantastic. Even if you're taking a class that is not writing focused, but you still have writing, it's really helpful to utilize that resource. Alright, so week 7, you can see that it's a very quick week. All you have is a chapter discussion forum, so you need to post in there by Wednesday for week 7 attendance points, and then respond to 2 classmates by Sunday. So let's take a look in the assignment folder. So this should look familiar. You have done something very similar to this before. So you're going to answer all. So there's 4 prompts. You're going to answer all 4 prompts. So we're not choosing any. We're doing all 4 of them. So it's going to all focus on writing, past writing, sentence-level mechanics, writing process, seeking help. So it's going to go through and say, okay, my worst writing habits have been, to overcome these, I will. So you're going to kind of, as I called it before, kind of like fill in the blank type things, but you're responding to these prompts. You're going to do that for all 4 prompts, and then make sure you post, and then you'll go back and make sure you respond to 2 classmates in that forum by Sunday. Alright, so make sure that you spend some time in the chapter 8 content area. Make sure that you're familiar with chapter 8, use the writing center, spend time clicking around in there, and then make sure that you post your original response in these prompts, again, all 4, by Wednesday, and then respond to 2 classmates by Sunday. Something I do want to emphasize again, when you respond to classmates, we're talking about considerable responses, a sentence or 2, not just I agree or I disagree or good luck. You want to make sure that you are interacting just like you would do in a classroom setting, that you are going back and forth and having these conversations. If you need anything, feel free to reach out and have a great week.